welcome back. I gotta be quiet. The baby's sleeping right there, and my son is sleeping, so we're gonna whisper till we go outside. But in this video, I got some headlights from my mom's car, because she can't drive at night. So, we got a knife and a bag. I'm gonna show you guys how to put LED headlights in a car. If you don't wanna watch the video, that's cool. Watch the video before this, or 20 other videos. But right now, this is the video. So I'm gonna hand my phone to my girl so she can record me opening this bag. Shh, don't be loud, guys. Take the knife, cut the bag at the couch, just the bag. Maybe slowly. I gave it a C-section. Pull out the lights. Then you take the knife. Open the bag. If I used the bag, I would have had to give. These are 9006s. These are for low beams on a lot of cars, most GMs and Hondas. And in the box, you got your lights. There's one. And there's two. And this kit brings you gloves, because you can't touch these or you'll break them. So I don't know whose hand's gonna fit in these, but not mine. And I don't use gloves, apparently. So let's go outside and show you guys how to install these lights. Maybe for once in my life I'll use a pair of gloves. What you'll do, you come inside, pop the hood, hood latch, up, use your head to hold the hood up so you can grab this, then you can lift the hood. I know you guys can't see nothing, give me a minute. Boom, that's that. So, and then right here's where your one light will be, right there. And then right there's the other one, right in there. So, it's probably really windy out, guys, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna put those gloves on so I don't dirty my hands and show you guys how to install these lights. Alright, so I'm gonna try and get my hands in these gloves. It's actually pretty stretchy. Tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Let's go ahead and put this one in. Ah, crap. Alright, so I want to come around so they can see in here. There'll be a little tab that you gotta find a little piece on. And then it'll twist. Like so. Then the light will come right out. Boom. Then you got a tab on the back. Squeeze. Pull the old one out. Go ahead and grab the new light. Find the right position for it to fall in. Once you get it in, there's the right tab. There it goes. Right there. You hold it with one hand, twist the tab. Locked in. Then your connector, then your connector. Boom. That's one side done. Now I'll go ahead and move on to the other side. On this side you might have to remove a couple little things. It all just slides right up and out. Give you a little clearance. Then you get to the other tab right here. Twist to unlock it. This side's a little more tight. Twist all the way. Like that. Then the other light will come out as well. You got your tab. Boom, done. Grab your new light. You can either plug it in first
or put it in. I normally put them in first so you can find the right position and you're not dragging wires around. Just try not to damage the bulb hitting it on anything when you try and get it in. So once you find the position, it'll fall in completely, and then you'll be able to turn the tab to lock it again. Not like that. Turn it a little bit. Right there. Fell into place. And you can see the bulb is locked in, ain't coming out. And then, done. You go ahead and take this piece. Move the lights, all the wiring out the way and everything. Done. All back together. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you install some headlights on most Hondas of this generation. Next video or so, next time my mom comes down, I'll clean these headlights for her and it'll look so much better. So we'll do like a headlight restoration video. We'll do both headlights for her so you can see a lot clearer through them because they're really bad looking. But you guys can see them really bright in there. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post. Catch you on the next one. Peace.